Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout, and I've got some unfortunate news today. Yesterday, it looks like Samsung has pulled the One UI 7 listing or post from the Samsung US Newsroom website. As you can see here, we do still have this banner here, but if we tap on this banner, it doesn't actually take you to any article. It just stays on the homepage. We have the latest news down here. And as you can see, there is nothing down here for One UI 7 anymore. This article was posted down here so you could actually go to the article, and now it is gone and just the banner remains. And there is no more date on here about it coming in April. We used to have a April 7th rollout date where it was going to start, and then April 10th it was supposed to start rolling out in the US. That has since been removed. If we go over here to the Australian Samsung Newsroom website, just go to the AU version on the URL. You can see we have a March 21st article down here that we can actually click on and read, unlike the US one. And this one says starting from April. I believe it used to say April 7th. I don't see anything with a specific date on it anymore. But they also added a footnote to the article saying that it is in select countries, or the date varies by country. So it looks like we could possibly be seeing a delay on the One UI 7 rollout, at least here in the US. Maybe it's going to be coming out later in April in other parts of the world, and then maybe in May in the US, or maybe the date is back to uncertain, but not exactly sure what's going on. As this develops, I will update you guys if I find out any more information. But as of right now, the posting on the Samsung US Newsroom, the article has since been removed, and there is no date on the website anymore. So really sucks. We've been having a lot of delays with One UI 7. It's already pushed way back in the year, and it's fairly delay ridden at this point. So that is the current update as of right now. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.